welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your first contribution, protocol level contribution. So I have created a video before explaining what open source is and how to get involved, why you should get involved, and things like that. So if you have not watched that video, please do check it out. And in this particular video, the focus is just going to be on how you can get started contributing on the protocol level, especially focusing on the Ethereum protocol. So let's dive right in. Alright, so the first thing you need to be aware of when planning to contribute to the Ethereum protocol is to get to the Ethereum documentation itself to learn about, to have a general overview of what Ethereum is about, and get to know about the Ethereum roadmap, what Ethereum has in stock for us. So yeah, those are very important things to take note of when planning to start contributing to the Ethereum protocol. So after getting into the roadmap, reading all you need to read about the Ethereum, by going to the documentation itself. And this is the documentation. There are different topics you can read or check out. And then when it comes to contributing to clients, you want to check out this section of the documentation where they talk about client diversity. So in Ethereum, we have different clients, the execution clients and the consensus clients, and these are the different clients right here. So it's your responsibility to read about each of the clients, figure out which programming language they are using, system configuration to set up if you need to set it up on your system for you to, before you start contributing, or if it doesn't, depend on what you are contributing to or what you actually plan to work on. That is also what's going to determine whether or not you have to run any of these clients on your system, or whether it's just sufficient for you to clone the repository or have a fork of it. Yeah, so after selecting the clients you want to work on, the next thing is you go read about them, like I said, and then move on to their GitHub repository. So let's assume we want to work with Besu, for instance. So once you click on Besu, we get to check out the Besu GitHub repo. So this is the GitHub repo for Besu right now. So Besu uses Java and is one of the execution layer clients of Ethereum. And if you come to the issues section, you are going to see different issues here. So so based on your level in terms of knowledge of Java, assuming you want to contribute to this project, you are going to like check out any of the issues here. My advice for you will be for you to look out for good first issue. Any issue that you see that is labeled as good first issue, you want to start with that. So at least so that you don't put yourself in a situation whereby you get stuck and you're not able to come out of it. So with the good first issue, you are able to like start doing something. And to know more about the let me see whether we have it here. So let's go back to the Besu. Yes, so if you come down here, you see the contribution guide. So from here you get to learn more about what you need to do before you start contributing. So it's always very good for you to like go through this contributing guide, the coding conventions and all of that. So different repository, they are different standard, but it's always a good practice. Almost all documentation always have this contribution guide or contributing guide, and then you go through all of these things, very important, before you even think of start contributing. So it's either you're picking an issue from an existing issues here, or you want to create your own issue. So if you notice and maybe after running the clients and you notice an issue and you feel like you want to create one, you can click on this new issue and then you can start creating yours and request that one of the maintainers of the repository issue that issue, assign that issue to you so that you can start working on it. So you don't just create an issue and then just start working straight away. So you need to take permission from the maintainers to let them know that you found out this issue, you would like to work on it, or you are selecting an issue from the already existing issues here and you want it to be assigned to you. So the easiest way to communicate with each of these clients is to talk to them on Discord. And to do that, let me see whether we have them, whether we have it here. All right, so the Discord channel is not here right now, so you have to go to the official documentation. From here, from that official documentation, if you go down to the community section, yeah, this it. So if you go down to the community section, you see the Discord. So the same thing applies to any clients that you find out or that you are interested in contributing to, because each client have their different programming language that they use. And so depending, like I said earlier, depending on the programming language that you are skilling and you want to like contribute to any of the protocols, maybe based on the fact that, oh, you have knowledge in JavaScript or you have knowledge in Rust, you want to look for Rust related clients like Red, or you have JavaScript, Ethereum JS, there's Ethereum JS or Loot. So things like that, yeah. So if you have any question, please do it to drop in the comment section. Alright, welcome back. I hope you have learned something from this video. I believe by now you should know how to contribute to the Ethereum core protocol, and you would have seen different repositories that you can contribute to and how you can get started making your first contribution. And in this video, I made use of the Beso client as an example guide to walk you through on how you can make your first contribution to the Beso client, which is one of the execution clients on the Ethereum blockchain. And I hope you have learned something from this video. And if you have, please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friends. And I will see you next time. Bye for now.